Hello. So I have named my project as Intrusion Alert System, where I have used the joystick here and a camera which are connected via Raspberry Pi. And here I need the I just wanted to make the finishing grid. So I have took some boxes and did some uh, wiring system with it. So this is my joystick which I have connected to Arduino. Here you can see the Arduino, and this is the Zigbee transmitter cum receiver. So, and this is the Raspberry Pi camera, the night vision camera, and this is the Raspberry Pi. Inside the Raspberry Pi is connected to an Arduino again, and here is the Zigbee transmitter cum receiver. So I have done all the wiring, and I have found these boxes in my storeroom, so I've used it for this. Yeah, so I have switched my Raspberry Pi on, and this is my joystick which I've connected to my system with a cable. So yeah, and in my system I have installed this software named Putty, where I have used the address of the Raspberry Pi. My Raspberry Pi I have connected via like in the mobile with a hotspot. So here you can see I have connected my Raspberry Pi to my mobile, and my system is also connected to the hotspot. I have named my hotspot as project and connected to my system, and in the same way I've connected the same hotspot to Raspberry Pi. Here if we type on, like if we click on Raspberry Pi, we can see the address of the Raspberry Pi. So everything is connected, and in Putty I have used this Raspberry Pi IP address, and I'm logging into Raspberry Pi. So I've logged in successfully, and when I open the same IP address, Raspberry Pi IP address, which is 192.168.43.214, here you can see the camera, working of the camera, and as I'm moving my joystick up and down, it would be changing the position. If you could see it in my system, and you can see my camera as well. So what I've made additionally changes in this is, I know a bit of HTML code, so I have added some icons on the desktop also. So here if I move up, the camera would be automatically moving up, and if I stop, it would be stopping again. So again, if I click on right, it's going right, and if I stop it again, it's stopping. So yeah, so I can control both on the monitor as well as with the joystick. And the camera I have used is a night vision camera. So if I switch off my lights, you can see it very clearly. So yeah, even if I switch off my lights, everything, you can see it clearly, as clear as like when I switched on the lights also. So with my camera, if you see around, it's dark in my room, but if you see in the system, you can see me. So everything around, you could see it clearly. So this is without light, and if I switch on the lights, it's clear. So yes, this is my project, and here I have used like I have coded the Arduino to transmit information, and the Raspberry Pi. I use some of the HTML code as well. Yeah. So I would be explaining it more in my report, like what I've done more in this project. And um, mainly what I have done extra is that apart from using the joystick, I have used the icons here, and also if we use only the joystick, we can only handle it when we are around the camera, or if we only have the joystick. But if we have the icons also on the desktop, we can access um, like we can access the camera from anywhere around, like if we are away in your office or anywhere, which is like meaningful. So this is a simple system, but yeah, this is it. Thank you.